When it comes to networks, businesses just want rock-solid, instantaneous Wi-Fi for their employees and visitors that's easy to set up and manage and grows with them. Introducing the NETGEAR Orbi Pro, a high-performance mesh tri-band Wi-Fi solution featuring blazing fast Wi-Fi that never drops, instant wire-free installation, a hassle-free app to manage your network from anywhere, and the ability to create a secure guest network at the touch of a button. For instant scalability, the Orbi Pro family comes with indoor or outdoor add-on satellites that can all work seamlessly together, including the new sleek and elegant Orbi Pro Ceiling Satellite for wire-free and discrete deployment in any area. Since the Orbi Pro can support multiple satellites at once, you can even expand your Wi-Fi to cover such large areas as warehouses, campgrounds, golf courses, and more. This is SMB networking with peace of mind. This is Orbi Pro. Better Wi-Fi for business everywhere.